In a ruined neighborhood, two Ukrainian soldiers approach separate houses where Russian troops are hiding. Each soldier carries a heavy anti-vehicle mine. They reach the windows, place the mines inside, and quickly run back to a safe distance. Above them, a scout drone watches, confirming the enemy is inside. Moments later, both buildings disappear in a cloud of smoke and dust, collapsing from the powerful blasts. Accuracy is the main goal. A direct drone hit took out a soldier trying to hide in a small, hidden hole. The operators timed the dive perfectly, making sure the bomb went into the small opening. A single Russian soldier was seen trying to use a tree trunk for cover. He moved carefully, checking around him, but he could not escape the eyes of the scout drones. The operators waited for the best time. When he paused, a drone was sent. It flew skillfully around the tree, cutting off any escape path. The strike was fast and effective, showing the deadly mix of patience and skill. Drone operators from the Falcon Squad made a precise strike against enemy forces using the underside of a bridge as a shelter. After this, they moved to target soldiers reportedly hiding inside a nearby building. The Russian troops looked panicked as the sound of the drone grew louder. The strike was done with such skill that the enemy forces were left shocked, unable to react to the drone's ability to fly through small spaces. Two Russian soldiers were hunted down by the Hungarian Birds unit. When the soldiers realized they were being watched, they dove into the tall grass, hoping to disappear. This was a big mistake. The drone tracked their heat and movement easily, finding the targets and taking them out with great accuracy. A Russian soldier hides under a bridge, but a drone spots him and strikes without waiting. Nearby, inside a damaged house, 3 more soldiers take cover. The drone dives again, delivering another perfect hit. One survivor runs toward a nearby building, but the drone follows, striking deep in the forest. Ukrainian drones find Russian soldiers traveling on motorcycles. The first rider narrowly misses a hit, but the second bike is successfully targeted. A Russian soldier trying to run from a drone entered a tunnel, only to come face to face with a wild boar inside. Trying to hide on the front lines is never safe, and strange dangers can appear at any moment. Meanwhile, soldiers from the 123rd Separate Territorial Defense Brigade recorded a bad failure for a Russian assault group. A boat carrying a squad of 7 people hit a sea mine with terrible results. The video shows the boat moving very fast, staying close to the shore just meters from the dirt, using the thick reeds and river grass to hide. It traveled a short distance before hitting a water mine placed earlier by Ukrainian Marines. The explosion was huge, instantly throwing the men into the rough water. Those who survived the first blast faced a hard end. Weighed down by heavy combat gear and wet clothes, they fought against the water with little chance to live. The video ends by showing the sad reality of this failed escape. A lone soldier crouches behind a tree, staying perfectly still, hoping to stay unseen. but the drone finds him and ends it in an instant. At the edge of the forest, a Russian soldier is seen moving through the trees. He is quickly spotted and targeted by a Ukrainian FPV drone. Injured by the first hit, he crawls desperately toward a nearby tree, hoping for safety. But only moments later, a second drone flies in, goes deeper into the woods, and strikes him again. Ukrainian FPV drones destroyed 2 buildings used by Russian troops, as seen in the video. Footage from Ukraine's 38th Marine Brigade shows Russian troops hiding inside 2 abandoned houses in the Donetsk region. First, Ukrainian forces sent many drones to hit the first building, where troops were seen entering. The precise hit brought down the house. Moments later, the second building was also targeted. The first strike caused a huge second explosion, likely from ammo stored inside. By the end of the video, both buildings were completely destroyed, showing the power of Ukraine's drone teams. Ukraine has started a big drone attack targeting Russian turtle tanks, heavy armored vehicles moving alone on roads and fields. Operators tracked these tanks as they moved alone. Once found, waves of drones attacked. Along key ambush roads, Ukrainian forces are striking back, targeting Russian drones waiting in hiding. Ukrainian FPV drones are now used not just to hit soldiers, but to hunt other drones. These Russian drones hide near trees to ambush cars, but Ukrainian operators are watching. In many videos, Ukrainian drones approach quietly, find the hidden threat, and strike first. The blast destroys the drone and its gear. This is a new kind of war. Drones fighting drones. It's a contest of patience and timing. The side that sees first, strikes first.